Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to customize colors and fonts here in Stitch. All right. It's actually pretty easy, but you'll have to do it, okay, one by one, each of the stages right here or pages. So what you'll do is just hover over a page. I got to click on edit right here. Now, as you can see, we have the edit theme section. Okay. You'll have to do it one by one, as I said earlier. But if you want to, you can go ahead and make a prompt, okay, in the section at the bottom left. Let's say, hi, I would love you to change the background color to what? Yellow. Just for example, make the text font as Choco Cookie from Samsung, just for example. Hit dot. Now, I would like to change the icon's color. Change the icon's color to purple as well. Okay, hit on generate and just wait for it to finish. All right, as you can see here, it's done. Here's the before and after. Now, as you can see here, we have here the Choco Cookie font from Samsung, which is beautiful, of course. However, the problem here is that almost each stages of pages have different colors. Now, let's say you would like this one, as this one best describes our prompt right here. So you could go ahead and manually change it, edit right here, edit theme, change the color, okay, and the corner radius, also the font, if you have a Choco Cookie in here, but I think no. So let's try to apply the theme. So not quite, okay. So let's just go ahead and try. Maybe can you use the app's settings color palette for all of the pages? All right, as you can see here, it now says about data designs to ensure consistency of the color palette across all of your app screens. Chat lists, chat options, everything right here. All screens now show the unified color palette, okay, and the yellow background, Choco Cookie font, and purple icons established for the app settings screen. How does this consistent look feels across the app? Okay. Now what you're going to do is just scroll down, and here we have the updated version. That is it. Just make sure to be more precise with your prompt. All right. And here, let's go ahead and try to edit. Now click on edit theme. I'll change the font from here, as I've said earlier, and just change the color from here, however you want. Okay. The appearance would be light or dark. Hit on apply theme and wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, you'll be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.